Hello and good day and welcome back to our YouTube channel, which is NG Visuals, under in the series of Bisaya Programming. So today we're going to learn on how to connect our database to the Eclipse IDE using the Java language. So before that, I have already, in the previous tutorial, we already engaged on how to create the login window. And this time I will create another package for our today's demonstration. So this is just a very quick. Now we know already that we already engaged with that one in our previous tutorial. So in this case, this is just be gonna quick because this is the second time we're going to create the package and also the login. So I am going to create another one. So this at this source folder, I'm going to right click and click package. Then I will name this one as CRUD, or the I will just put small letters CRUD, meaning this is the four major operations when it comes to TPS, and TPS stands for Transaction Processing Software. So C stands for create, R for read, U for update, and then D for delete. So I'm going to use this name of package because we're going to use this one for our entire project. So now here I'm going to create another component, which is the application window. So if you are first time here and you don't know what is window builder, you can check my previous video about installing the window builder. So here, just click here, and then under the designer, the swing designer, you can click the application window. Then if you don't know why we need to click the application window, it is already tackled with our previous video, so just check it out. Then this time I'll click application window, and I will name this one as login window, then click finish. So after this one, this is the auto-generated code given for our Eclipse IDE. So this is our design view. So for instance, if wala kay design view, then all you have to do is to check again my previous video kay naran ang adto gin-discuss ako on how to install the window builder. So once na kay window builder, then makita mo na yung design view dira. Okay, so and in the previous video also we already discussed this one here, the properties, the palette layout, and so on. So just check out my last video. So this is gonna be quick. I'm going to make it fast because we already discussed this one in our our previous video. So I have to put text field for this, and then I'm going to put this one as I have also the G password for our password. And I'm going to change this one into 18 for the font size. Then also for the J label, I'm going to use 18 for this time. User name. Sige mo na siyang butangan dira, username mo siyang padak-on. Then i-copy paste lang, Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste lang para mas madali. Para dili ka magbalik-balik og change yung font style. We'll use this one password. So in this simple and basic lang login. Then we will use the button for the login. So in the properties login, you can use the font to make it bigger. Font size is 18. Then you can change this one. Then you can adjust your form size or window application in your preferences. You can put any design also here, the uppermost, copy and paste lang. Dayon say please input your credentials. Then so we will have the G separator para mas manindot ato ang design. Ano lang siya, J separator. Dayon. I-check. So input credentials, ato na siya nga Aday 25 iyang size. Dayon, iyang leading horizontal center lang para center ang iyang please input your credentials. Control is to save. Then at this time, since we already know on how to create the login, we will create another form using the JFrame. Okay, so again, right click in the CRUD package, then go to new, then other, then look for JFrame. So JFrame, because we creating a new folder or a new frame. So if you're going to have the first, which is for the login, you can have the application window. Then by next is you have to put na sa dayon ang kaning JFrame. So sa JFrame, for example, this is my main menu or the main, or we can use index for this. Pwede na lang muna siya. So meaning index muna siya ang main niya. Then we have here our index. We have duha na din kabuk ato ang frames. So we have for the login and we have for the index. So the moment daw nga matapos na ka login diri, for example mag-input ka credentials sa imong username, mag-input ka credentials sa imong password, and i-click nimo sa login, mo proceed siya diri sa imong index. So we'll click the design view for the indexed. Then we'll have our design dayon diri. So mag-design na din ta diri. Ato sanay siya nga padakon gamay. Then at this time, so mag-design at taog for the index or for the main. Ay, hindi ka human daw login, then proceed siya kanina one. So we will use the J menu, mga menu, press babaw, like this one, I say file, new, and so on, para mas manindot ang ato ang application. So we'll have the menu bar, then J menu. For example, we will put this one file. Dayon for the file naladiha ang menu item. So menu item, we will put this one as logout. Ari na to ibutang ang logout, for example lang. So logout. So the moment nga mag-click na logout, then ato siyang butangan na sad og another menu for the help. Dayon for the help, go to online sources. Pwede man na siya natubutangan nila. Go online. Depende na nimo kung unsa mong ibutang dira. So help, go online, then pwede na nimo butangan sa dira o another. Pwede nimo butangan dira another dira. Or for example, about us, pwede man lang na siya. About. So din see if na siya menu, then na siya go online, about, and so on. So magpapa-pop up siya dira. So this is how we are going to use the menu in window builder design. So now we will design our body. So the body na siya. So in my end, so since I am using the CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. So dapat ang atong application maka first we're going to use the absolute layout, this one here, that we can put our components anywhere. So if you want to know more about absolute layout, just check my previous video. So this time, so since I am using the CRUD, which is create, read, update, and delete, then I am going to use buttons for this one to design my body. So I'm going to create like this one. like seems like a Windows 10 window, which is this one is for add data. Then I'm going to use font style, which is 25 for this. Then I'm going to copy and paste directly to create another, which is search data. And I'm going to expand this one. Ako na siyang i-expand. Dayon, I will buhat sa kong lain, copy paste lang. Dayon, diri is for my delete data. So you can design with your own way, depende na nimo sa imong preferences kung unsa siya. Depende na nimo unsa na nimo. Then add, search, delete, then edit data. So maka-edit sa data. So I'm just copy lang, then paste dira, then delete data. Delete data. Edit data. So this one, pwede nimo nga search, print, and so on. So pwede nimo siya butangan na sa another dira. Design. So you can have also the print data, print button. Ganahan lang ako siya pagbuhat, kaya ganahan ko siya nga nanaon siya pag-design sa ako ang. So in your end, inanin mo kung unsa as a programmer ikaw na magbuhatan na. Dayon, save lang. Then I will change the colors for this one. So background color. So pwede rin na siya ilisan sa background. So background, I'm going to expand this one para makita. So the background color for add data, so ako na siyang di-click. In color, I want to use yellow for this. Then I am going to use for the text, I am going to for the foreground, which is white lang. Dayon, ang font style gusto na ako nga bold, naka bold siya. Sorry na siya sa bold, plain bold. Then sa delete, I'm going to use background color, which is green. I'm going to have the bold side, yung style sa text, and I'm going to use white text. I'm going to have that one. Then for the search, this one here, I'm going to use gray at this time. Dayon, once gray, dayon ang iyang text is bold gyapon. Then I am going to change the color into white para magindot siya. Then makita nato siya ang iyang result niya later on, inigpara nato. Then for the edit data, I'm going to use pink at this time. Then for the font style, bold. Then I'm going to use, maybe I'm going to use white siguro. Maybe, we can change this one naman later on. Then for the print data, I'm going to use cyan or the sky blue. Then for the foreground, black. Then for the font, bold. So we will try to run this one. Kung sayang now inig pa run. Sige, ato ta sa to ang navigation dapit, then run as Java application. JFrame Programming. So muna yang now na dayon. So we have the add, search, delete, edit, print. So as of now, dili pa na siya mag-function kaya wala pa na siya i-code na itong nag-i-embed dira. Also our menus, na dira mga menus, help, online. So para mas nindot ang inyong pagbuhat sa inyong application, dapat magkamit yung mga menus para neat siya tanaw. So sa design, it's up to you on how to do that one. Pindi na nimo is a programmer. Dayon. So by next episode of our video tutorial, I will talk on how to download the SQLite browser Yeah, so that we can integrate that one here in our Eclipse para magamit na to din sa tuang login. So dire we're going to embed some code here na connected siya sa tuang database. So just check my video soon because I'm going to update. Then do not forget to hit subscribe, MG Visuals, and you are here now in the Bisaya Programming series. So thank you for watching. See you to the next video. Have a nice day.